Hello students, I had already shared a presentation of sorting material into group. Here is the explanation. You know that we can classify the materials on the basis of their properties. So what are those properties on the basis of which we can classify the materials? These are the properties, children: appearance, hardness, solubility and insolubility, or transparency, opaque, translucent, etc. So these are the different properties on the basis of which we can classify the different materials. Now the first one is appearance. How can you classify the materials on the basis of their appearance? You know children, we have some materials that have luster. Luster means they have a shining. So usually metals have shining. What are the examples? Iron, copper, aluminium, gold. These are the examples of metals. These are the materials which have luster, a shining surface. On the other hand, there are some materials like paper, cardboard, wood, etc., which do not have luster, which do not have shining. Okay. Likewise, you can divide the materials on the basis of their hardness. If the material is hard, like a metal is hard. On the other hand, cotton is soft. So on the basis of hardness also we can divide materials. Likewise, we can divide the materials into different categories on the basis of their solubility in water or in any other liquid. You know very well children, you have done some experiments also, like some substances are completely dissolved in water, like you can dissolve sugar and salt. These are completely soluble in water. On the other hand, there are some substances which cannot be completely soluble in water. For example, oil is not completely soluble in water. So such materials are insoluble in water, while salt and sugar, these are the materials which are completely soluble in water. The next property is transparency. You know that there are some materials like glass, water, air, or some plastics. These are the substances or materials through which things can be seen. Such materials are called transparent. Likewise, there are some materials through which we are not able to see. Such materials are called opaque materials. For example, wood, cardboard, metals, etc. And children, there are some materials which are between these two, transparent and opaque. That means the objects can be seen but not clearly. For example, a oil patch on a paper. In this way, we can divide the materials into three different categories: transparent, opaque, and translucent. So this is about the explanation of sorting of materials. Thank you, children.